Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to see how to program a BBC microbit device with MicroPython using Raspberry Pi. So the very first step is to connect BBC microbit to a Raspberry Pi and then power on the Raspberry Pi. Once you power on the Raspberry Pi, remotely log into the Raspberry Pi. So I'm using remote desktop connection on Windows for viewing the Raspberry Pi desktop. You can use either this or VNC. So the BBC microbit is going to appear as a drive connected to your Raspberry Pi. You can also find the content of it by double clicking this microbit icon on the Raspberry Pi desktop. So this icon will be visible as soon as you connect your microbit device to Raspberry Pi. So basically it is the location. The BBC microbit has been mounted on the Raspberry Pi and the location is media/pi/microbit. You can also open the command prompt and then type in ls usb. And here you can see NXP ARM embed. Okay, the very first entry. So basically BBC microbit uses ARM microprocessor. So I'm going to close it now and I'm going to open the Mu editor. Go to the programming and then Mu editor. So now it says detected new BBC microbit device. Would you like to change the Mu to the BBC microbit mode? So I'm just going to click OK. And it had changed the mode to BBC microbit. Otherwise, you can manually click here on the mode icon and set the mode to BBC microbit and click OK. Just click New and save that file. So it is going to save it locally in the folder mu_code. So I'm just going to say test1.py. Now let us write the very first program for BBC microbit. So I'm just going to say from microbit import star, enter, and we are just going to have some simple scrolling display. So I'm just going to say display dot scroll hello world. And I'm just going to go ahead and save this. Now I want this program to run on BBC microbit. So for that I will have to flash that program on BBC microbit. And here we can find the flash button. So let us flash the program to BBC microbit and let us see what happens. Okay, now it says copied code into microbit. And from here you can do zoom in and zoom out. So earlier if you haven't been able to see the code properly, now you can see it. The code is from microbit import star display.scroll hello world. Okay, and once we type in the code, we can just go ahead and click the flash button and the code will be flashed to BBC microbit. Now let us go ahead and see the output. So this program is going to scroll the given string hello world only once on the 5x5 LED display of the BBC microbit that is connected to your Raspberry Pi. So this is all about using MicroPython and Raspberry Pi and Mu editor to write a program for BBC microbit. So do let me know if you have any questions, queries or comments about this video lecture. Thanks a lot for watching this video lecture and I will see you next time.